Good morning student, hope you all are fine. Now we are going to study computer chapter number 2, that is number system. Students, we know that computer is a machine and it understands only machine language of 0 and 1. In this chapter we learn how these 0 and 1 work in a computer. Students, we are going to start with the introduction of the lesson. As all we know, computer is a man-made machine and it does not understand our language. It only recognizes state of on and off, which means on means presence of electricity and off means absence of electricity. Okay. Now the two digits 0 and 1 represent both the state, like 0 represent off means absence of electricity and 1 represent on means presence of electricity. When we talk about the number system, computer uses binary number system. In this system we have two unique digits, that is 0 and 1, which is called bits. This bit is the smallest unit of data that computer represent. Bacha, when 8 bits are grouped together, 8 bits means when this 8 binary digits like 1 0 0 1 1 0 1 0, these binary digits, these 8 binary digits are grouped together, it makes byte, and this byte is used to represent an individual character. Which type of individual character? Like your alphabets. Alphabets means any of the alphabets, like capital A to Z or small a to Z. Any number like 0 to 9. Any symbol, in symbol like @ percentage, hash, etc. So this byte represent these individuals' character, and there are 256 individual character in our computer. These individual characters also called codes. Okay, now these codes are also known as ASCII, American Standard Code for Information Interchange Code. Okay, now we are going to understand decimal number system. In decimal number system there are 10 digits, that is 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. These all are 10 digits which we use to form number system. Each place in a number has 10 times value that of the place to its right. Like if we write 12, then the place of 1 is 10 times of 2. 10 times of 2 means 10 plus 2. The number greater than 9, we have to put 0 at the right of 1 to get 10. And next we have to put 1 at the right of 1 to get 11, and so on. 10 to 19 are called tens. Number 20 to 29 are called 20s. 30 to 39 are called 30s. And after that 40s to 49 are called 40s, and so on. 100 digits are comes 110, 120, 199 and so on. So this is the decimal number system. we are going to understand binary number system. As all we know that binary number system has only two digits, that is 0 and 1. So we form number by using these digits. So first digits comes 0 and then 1. Then after that, to get the number greater than 1, we put 0 at the right of 1. The next number we form 1 1. Then 1 0 0, 1 0 1, 1 1 0, and so on. Remember one thing, that we read these digits by the digits only. Like this is 0, this is 1, this is 1 0. We cannot say that 10. We only read it by digits. 1 0, 1 1, 1 0 0, 1 0 1, 1 1 0. Okay? Next topic is number system. Students, we all know that computer is a machine and understands only machine language. Therefore, character have to be represented in the form of electronic pulse. Two pulses are there which is used to represent these number. We have 0 and 1. 0 means absence of pulse, means no current. 1 means presence of pulse, means presence of current. Okay. Now two types of number system are there. First one is non-positional number system. Second one is positional number system. Now we are going to talk about the non-positional number system. In the past, human beings counted on finger. For counting beyond 10, they use stone, pebble, sticks to indicate values. Or else they use symbols. Symbol is like 1 is for 1, 2 is for 2, 3 is for 3, and so on. So it was very difficult to do arithmetic calculation with such a number system. Now we are going to understand positional number system. Positional number system having few symbols called digit. These symbols represent different values. Computer can understand positional number system. There are different type of positional number system. These are decimal number system, binary number system, octal number system, and hexadecimal number system. Students, revise these topics at home. Rest of the chapter will be covered in the next video. Thank you.